Ever wondered how the ancient practice of aromatherapy can enhance your holistic health journey? Picture the serenity of your personal space filled with the delicate scent of essential oils. It's not just about the pleasant aroma, but the myriad of health benefits that come along with it. Today, we dive into the art of diffusing essential oils. Ever asked yourself, how does aromatherapy actually work? Let's dig a little deeper. Our sense of smell is intricately linked to the brain's centers of memory and emotion. When you inhale essential oil molecules, they stimulate these parts of your brain, influencing your physical, emotional, and mental health. Take lavender, for example. Its scent triggers the brain to produce soothing chemicals, effectively reducing stress and anxiety. So the next time you're enveloped by the calming aroma of lavender or any other essential oil, remember, you're not just basking in a pleasant fragrance. You're participating in a time-honored practice of wellness that dates back thousands of years. Beyond the immediate sensory pleasure and the connection to our emotional centers, aromatherapy offers numerous additional benefits. For instance, certain essential oils like chamomile and sandalwood can help improve sleep quality by promoting calmness and relaxation. Others, like citrus and rose, can boost mood and relieve stress, acting as natural antidepressants. And if you're looking to improve focus and concentration, oils like peppermint and rosemary could be your new best friend. So whether you're looking to improve your sleep, reduce stress, or boost your focus, remember, there's an essential oil for that. To embark on this aromatic journey, you first need an essential oil diffuser. They come in various types, from ultrasonic to nebulizing, each with its own unique method of dispersing essential oils into the air. Choose one that best fits your personal preferences and the aesthetics of your space. Next, you'll want to select your essential oils. The world of essential oils is vast and diverse, each oil boasting unique properties and benefits. Lavender, for example, is renowned for its calming effects, perfect for winding down after a long day. Lemon oil, on the other hand, is energizing and uplifting, ideal for kickstarting your morning routine. Now, on to the art of diffusing. First, fill your diffuser with water up to the marked line. Remember, it's always best to use cold tap or filtered water. Then, add your chosen essential oils. A good rule of thumb is to start with 3 to 5 drops per 100 ml of water. However, feel free to adjust this based on your personal preference and the size of the room. While all essential oils have their own unique benefits, we highly recommend doTERRA essential oils. Derived from the purest sources, doTERRA oils are meticulously tested to ensure the highest standards of quality and efficacy. In the realm of doTERRA, some of the best oils to diffuse include peppermint for its invigorating properties, frankincense for promoting feelings of peace, and the proprietary blend On Guard for its immune-boosting benefits. As you explore the world of aromatherapy, remember, it's not just about the scent, it's about creating an atmosphere of wellness, a space that nurtures your holistic health journey. As we wrap up this aromatic adventure, remember to check the description below for more information on doTERRA and links to purchase these exquisite essential oils. Here are a few of our favorite blends. Thank you for joining us today. May your journey into the world of aromatherapy be filled with delightful scents and profound wellness. Until next time, breathe deep and live well.